Hey, what's going on, family? It's Brother Andrew, and today in class we are going to be making airplanes. Airplanes, paper planes are really cool, and in this class we'll be discussing some of the angles that we create when we're making these airplanes, and we'll discuss different names of some of these angles. And this is a really cool project, so check it out. Cue the intro. Hey guys, like I said in the intro, we're making paper planes. So for this project, all you're gonna need is a sheet of paper. Cool? Got that? Cool. Now, everybody should understand and know what this shape is. This is a rectangle. Yep, it has 4 corners and each corner is 90 degrees. Alright, so for the first portion of this exercise, we're gonna create a symmetry line, a line of symmetry. So when you create a line of symmetry, you're gonna have one side is gonna look exactly the same as the other side. So to perform this, we're gonna make a line down the center. We're gonna fold it like a hot dog line. So we're gonna line up the corners and we're gonna fold it right down the middle. And this right here is called a line of symmetry. Both sides are equal, exactly the same. So, yep, symmetry. Now for the second step, we're gonna create a new symmetrical piece. So we're gonna do the same thing to both sides. So the first thing we're gonna do on these sides is we're gonna fold the corners down along this edge right here. Now, just like so. Boom. See that? Now we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. See, we're making this triangle right here. See, we have a new shape. We'll do the exact same thing to the other side, trying to keep the point at the top. Trying to keep both sides the same. Boom. So, 2 triangles. Boom. The next step we're going to take is we're going to fold along this symmetry line again. So we're going to do the same thing to both sides. So we're going to come on and we're going to fold right along this line again. We want to keep this symmetrical. Keep that point at the top. Same thing to both sides. Now we've made several different angles. All right, as you can see, this line right here is 180 degrees. A line is 180 degrees. Once we make that first fold and that second fold, we're creating a 90-degree angle right here along the center line and out. It's a 90-degree angle, just like the corners, 90 degrees. And when you cut 90 degrees in half, you make 45 degrees. So 2 45-degree angles make a 90-degree angle. 2 45-degree angles make a 90-degree angle. See how you have that 90 degrees right there? But we have 2 45-degree angles that we made that create a 90-degree angle. And we're gonna cut that in half. Just like so. So when you're building these paper planes, be mindful of the things that we discussed in class, like different angles, things like that. All right, so we notice how we're still symmetrical. We're keeping our lines of symmetry. So, you know, symmetry is when both sides are equal. They're exactly the same. Symmetry. The left side is exactly like the right side. All right, for the next step, we're gonna fold down again. we're gonna fold it in half so we don't have any symmetry lines anymore. We're gonna have one piece, but we're gonna fold right back along that symmetry line the opposite direction. Boom. So you notice we're staying symmetrical throughout the entire process. In order to stay symmetrical, whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other side. It's like an equation. So we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. We're gonna fold back along the symmetry line. I'm gonna try to keep that point as possible, close as you can. And voila! The last step, you're gonna unfold. And you see how you still have the symmetry? One side is equal to the same. And voila, you have your paper plane. Let's take flight. Let's go see how it flies. What I like to do sometimes, I like to round my wing tips, make it a little more aerodynamic. This would be a cool project for your students. And you can have some fun flying planes. So let's check it out. Hey.